Hey everyone, Greta here from Plann. Have you heard about social SEO? Social SEO gives you the leverage to get your post in front of users actively searching for your products and services. In our latest 2024 social media trends report, we mentioned how social platforms are evolving to mimic search engines like Google. So you might be wondering, how can you harness this trend to expand your social media reach? Let's dive into the world of social media SEO and uncover the secrets to success. Social SEO is much more than just adding a few keywords here and there. It's about strategically optimizing your content on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and more. From optimizing your profile with targeted keywords to conducting in-depth keyword research, every step plays a crucial role in boosting your visibility and engagement. But how do you find the right keywords to target? It's all about understanding your audience, analyzing competitor profiles, and leveraging powerful tools like Google Keyword Planner and TikTok's Keyword Insights. Once you have your keywords, it's time to optimize your content. From creating keyword buckets to incorporating them naturally into your captions, every detail counts. Hashtags aren't just for decoration. They're your ticket to increased visibility. But it's not just about using any hashtag. It's about using them effectively on each platform. Whether you're on Instagram, TikTok, or Twitter, knowing how to use hashtags strategically can make all the difference. Take TBH Skincare, for example. By leveraging social media SEO, they've not only reached millions, but also built a dedicated community around their brand. So keep in mind, it's not just about keywords anymore. It's about creating content that resonates with your audience and drives engagement. Ready to unlock the full potential of social media SEO? Read the full blog about social media SEO and download our 2024 trends report at the link below. And until next time, happy planning.